your 4 minutes of firmer thighs. So let's begin. The first exercise is the outer thighs to really slim and trim the outside of those thighs. I call no more saddlebags. We'll firm it right up. But flex your foot. That way you really get to feel the length of those legs. That's it. And lift up your chest. Beautiful. Lift and lower. Really feel it with purpose. Focus on the muscles right here. Strengthening those quads also. That's it. Lift and lower. That's great. We got 2 more. Beautiful. Last one. We hold it up there. Now hold it, hold it, hold it. And release. Inner thigh toner. Now you're firming the inside of your inner thigh. That lower leg. Lift it up and down. Keep that foot flexed. That way you really feel the inside of your leg all the way from the knee up to the pelvic area. Really squeeze it at the top. Squeeze. Yes. That's the best way to firm your inner thighs. No more jiggling. That's it. We got 2 more. Last one. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. That's it. And a little more advanced one now. Click at the top. There you go. Click. That's great. Firm the whole leg now. Really lift it. Good. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay. Switch sides. First one, the outer thigh toner. Thinking about good posture. Flex that foot. Lift and lower. There you go. Just do what you can. Always think about good technique. If you're tummy pulled in, something very important. We all need to practice. That's right. Beautiful looking legs. Gorgeous. Lift and lower. Lengthen through the heel. Push out through the heel. There you go. Really feel it. No more saddlebags. We'll trim it down right here. That's it. Gorgeous. We got 2 more. Lift and lower. Last one. Good. And release. And now slowly bring that knee in front. Lift and lower the bottom leg. That's it. Great. Now you're working just the inner thighs. Target tone and firm it up. That's it. You want to strengthen specific muscles of your legs. Now we're really firming the inner thighs. So when you go to the top, squeeze at the top. There you go. Pull your belly button up and in. That's it. We all need to think about our core too. Good posture. That's it. We've got 2 more. Last one. Hold it up, 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 up. Good. And now flex. Hold the leg here and bring it to the top. You can do it. Lengthen the legs. Good. That's it. Inner thigh firmers. Good. Also, it works your thighs right here at the quadriceps. We can do it. That's it. Pull the belly button up and in. Good. 2 more. Last one. Okay. And now let's slowly come all the way down. We're going to lift one leg up and let's do little lifts. Pelvic tilts up. That's it. This is like a bridge where we're firming the leg. It's lifting and we're firming the back of the thighs that push us. Good. That's it. Last one. Hold it up, hold it up. Beautiful. And switch legs. The other leg comes all the way up. Lengthen the leg if you can. Okay, get down. Lift up. Good. You got this. Come on, really squeeze at the top. Tighten up the thigh muscles. They really help to firm. They really strengthen the legs. So now we're working the back of your legs. Right back here. Right where we need it, right? Last one. Hold it up, 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 up. And release. And now slowly roll all the way up. Let me see your beautiful smiling face. That's it. Gorgeous. And now I just want you to do a little thigh toners. Just a few. This works the front of your thighs. Last one. Okay, sit nice and tall. Feel it, feel it. Come on. You got it. And now release. And there you did it. The ultimate 4-minute firmer thighs. You did great. What a fabulous workout. And if you want more full-length workouts, I have a brand new app, Denise Austin app, that has over 400 of my workouts, plus recipes, plus a great community and challenges too to keep you going. Plus, we have a free trial going on right now. So download my app or scan the QR code.